Welcome friends, my name is Tapindra Rakwa and today I want to tell about role of LIC in Indian economy. The economy such as India is needed investment for excellent to the economic developments. Savings generated through the insurance companies are one of the major sources of investment in India. The authors have done an excellent job for analyzing the role played by Life Insurance Corporation and a government-run corporation in Indian economy. LIC assets at 463 billion exceed the GDP of several economies and it is ranked 5th globally in terms of GWP and 10th globally in terms of total assets. Its assets are 1.1 times more than the entire Indian MF industry, i.e. 13.4 trillion rupees, and LIC assets are 16.3 times more than the second private largest insurer in India, i.e. SBI Life. 4% of total NSE company cap is owned by LIC. LIC is the largest private insurer in India, i.e. LIC owns. LIC owns with a standalone basis equal to 80% of Indian GDP. LIC has been providing insurance in India for more than 65 years. In terms of GWP, with a market share of 64.1%, NBP with a market share of 66.2%, the number of individual policies issued with a market share of 74.6%, number of group policies issued with a market share of 81.1% for fiscal 2021. CRISIL research forecasts that the elderly population in India will increase from 116.8 million 2015 to 316.8 million 2050. Brand LIC was recognized third strongest and 10th most valuable private insurer in India as per the report of Insurance 100 2021 report released by Brand Finance. As per the report, the brand value of LIC in 2021 is 8,655 millions and scoring 84.1 out of 100 with corresponding AA brand strength rating. LIC of India was formed by merging 154 life insurance companies, 16 foreign companies, 75 European companies, and it is the biggest financial institution in India. The main slogan of LIC is Yugukshimam Bahamyam. Its real meaning is your welfare is our responsibility. LIC assets is 25 lakhs 29,390 crores. Due to LIC, the financial growth is increased. Due to LIC, with the economic development possible, role of LIC in the Indian economy is very important. For the LIC, India on the path of a developed country. Like के साथ भी, like के बाद भी. LIC. Thank you.